Hello, this video will serve as a guide to get you up and running with the Clarinox Debugger. After we're done, you'll have all the information necessary to make the most out of your debugging tool while developing your own Clarinox softframe-based applications. We've already got a video showing you how to make the initial configuration on the debugger, so check out the video description for the link if you need help with the configuration process. To start a debugging session, you'll first need to connect to the target device. Again, instructions are provided in the link down below. For this video, I will be loading up a previously saved Clarinox Debugger session file by going to Connection on the toolbar and selecting Start. Through the interface select screen that pops up, I'll be able to select from a list of possible connection types. The debugger supports Ethernet connections with TCP or UDP, UART, and JTAG. Because I'll be loading up a Clarinox Debugger session file, I'll select the CDD file option, which is used for this purpose, and then choose the Save Session file when prompted. This file will load up the plugin data as well as the main stack trace content into the respective windows. One of the first windows you'll see when running any debugging session is the message browser. This window will display all of the protocol and memory messages in addition to all function calls. This could be beneficial with overall system level analysis and debugging. Next, we'll review some of the views available for application memory analysis. The ability to analyze your application's memory is one of the most powerful features of the Clarinox Debugger. To do this, simply open up any of the memory pool set, statistics, or monitor view windows. If they're not within view, you can choose them from the new document icon and select the one you want from the options available. Because I already have the options on screen, I'll cancel out of this. The pool set window will list all of the memory pools in the application as well as the real-time usage statistics. The statistics window will show you the actual memory usage of the target device code in real time. And on the memory monitor window, you'll see the details of all allocations and deallocations of the target device code in real time, with the rightmost column showing whether the buffer has been freed or not. The items are color-coded to easily identify the areas where memory leaks occur, with blue meaning free and brown meaning not freed. To find out where in the code the allocation has taken place, double-click on the desired item in the list. If the source file is located on the machine, then the source file is open in a file editor and will display the line where the memory is allocated. Now let's move on to the Clarinox Blue Protocol Monitor. If your target device uses the Clarinox Bluetooth stack, then all the protocol messages and data will be sent to the debugger in real time. This monitor view allows you to see the timestamp of the protocol message, the time in milliseconds since the last message represented by this D for delta, the protocol flow between the transport and application layers shown in this third column. Then you see the details of the protocol message on the next column, and the next two columns show the ASCII and hex representation of the protocol message. These details can be useful for debugging at a system level. You can select any of the messages here, and on the message details window on the left, you'll see the full protocol analysis and additional information, as can be seen here, which could serve to help solve protocol-related issues. The Clarinox SDIO monitor works in much the same way. Through this monitor, we can observe Wi-Fi 802.11 packet flow and the communication between the Clarinox driver and the wireless chip. It will show you the output going to the Wi-Fi module via the SDIO interface. Just as before, when you click on any of the messages, you'll get a more detailed view of the TCP/IP packet details in the message details window on the left. Towards the bottom of the screen, you'll find the virtual console, which acts as standard input and output for the target system. The debugger gives you the option of saving the current session for later analysis of the messages. To save a session, simply click on Session, Save Session, or by clicking on the blue save icon on the toolbar. If you want to review the messages at a later time, you would just need to load up the session in the same way I loaded up the file in the beginning of the video. While on the topic of customized layouts, additional configurations can be made by going to Tools and then Configuration. This will open up the Configuration Manager window where you are presented with a few more options to customize the debugger output to better suit your needs. In addition to these user interface related settings, you'll also be able to access the configuration settings for your connection type, whether it be UART, JTAG, or Ethernet. You may have noticed the large amount of data that can be displayed on the screen at any given moment. To better enhance the user experience, the debugger layout has been made 100% user customizable to better fit with your workflow. Windows can be tabbed into a single window or can be set side by side for easy comparison. The virtual console can also be detached as a floating window. This may come in handy for multi-monitor arrangements. Customizing your layout is easy. Simply click on the Windows title bar and drag it to any of the highlighted areas that appear. So there you have it. You now have all the basics required to start debugging on your Clarinox soft frame-based applications. If you encounter any issues or need some additional help, then please don't hesitate to contact us, and our friendly team will be more than willing to help. For more information on our products, make sure to visit us at clarinox.com.